Hello, good morning, bonjour. Good morning, bonjour. Thanks for attending the 3Design digital event, the online exhibition dedicated to 3Design jewelry software. We are very happy to spend the whole day with you, so from now to 4 p.m. And we are looking forward to sharing a lot of information with you, sharing tips and testimonies about 3Design software. Okay, so I was saying we have the pleasure to welcome two 3Design experts today. So they will share their experience and their expertise about 3Design. This morning we will have Miss Pooja Sauni. So she's a goldsmith and a jewelry designer. She's been working with 3Design for 12 years, and now she's the director of Sierra Consultancy, the official 3Design software reseller and support provider for the UK, Ireland, and India. This afternoon, we will welcome Mr. Luc van den Broek. So he has a 35 years experience as a goldsmith in Belgium. He started teaching 3Design 15 years ago at the Jewellery School in Antwerp, and now he has his own company dedicated to 3Design education, sales, and support. So here is the content of the 3Design digital event. Okay, so the digital event, it's an online exhibition dedicated to 3Design CAD software. So we have a virtual booth that is accessible through the following link, okay, until November 22nd. And from this booth, so you can have access to different things. You have access to information about 3Design, and especially about version 10. You can attend live meetings today. So today we have planned 7 live conferences with 3Design experts. You can chat also today through YouTube and ask questions about 3Design. From this virtual booth, you can also book private meetings with 3Design sales staff and also with our guests. And you can also benefit from special promotion from now to November 22nd if you attend this event. So here is the agenda for today. So the first live demo will start at 10:30, okay, with Pooja Sauni. At 11:15, Maxime will show a demonstration of 3Shaper, the 3D modeling software for 3Design. At 11:45, he will explain how to use deep image rendering and animation studio. And at 12:15, he will show you in more details the new features of version 10 compared to version 9. Okay. At 1 p.m., we will have a lunch break, and we will start again at 2 p.m. with Mr. Luc van den Broek, who will share one of his creations. Okay. At 2:45, Maxime will talk about high jewelry, expert tips and tricks. At 3:15, I will reveal what is the special offer code and what are the special promotions we have planned during this event. And we will end up with a Q&A session at 3:30. So don't forget to send us your questions through the chat or by email. Okay, just regarding the online meetings, so there are 5 salespeople who are ready to discuss with you, so really don't hesitate to book an appointment. You can book an appointment with Philippe, Emily, Cyril, Christian, or myself, and also our 2 guests. Okay, and just when you book a meeting, make sure you book an appointment with the person in charge of your region. Okay, it's mentioned on the title. So, for example, if you're in the UK, please book an appointment with Pooja. If you're in Belgium, with Luc. If you're in Italy, with Christian. If you're in France, Switzerland, with Emily. And for me, I'm more in charge of Northern Europe and Eastern Europe. Okay, let's start. So just a few words about our company. So Gravotech is the leader in permanent marking solutions. So we design, manufacture, and distribute innovating engraving, marking, and cutting machines. Our headquarters are based in France, in Lyon. But like 86% of our sales are made outside France. We count 850 employees and we have 175 distributors. So in Gravotech, there's a branch that is dedicated to software edition. It's called Type 3. And at Type 3, we have 3 main software solutions. So the first one is Type Edit. It's a CAD/CAM software solution for cutting, marking, and engraving in 2D, 2.5D, and 3D with CNC machines. Okay, we also have the same solution to engrave with laser machines, and in this case, it's called LaserType. Another solution is Type 3 CAA. So this one, it's an add-on to CATIA software by Dassault System. And it allows CATIA users to integrate text and logos in their designs. The last one is 3Design. So it's a professional jewelry CAD software, and it's the one we're going to present today. So 3Design, it's a CAD software dedicated to jewelry and high jewelry design. The first version was released 21 years ago, and we now count thousands and thousands of users worldwide, including 2,000 users that are active in the 3Design community forum. The 3Design users are goldsmiths, designers, manufacturers, retail shops, service bureaus, watch and clock makers, and also we find users, in the fashion, accessory industry, mold makers, and we have many, many students learning jewelry CAD with 3Design in many countries. So 3Design, it exists in 14 languages. We have 36 distributors, and there are 8 products available in the 3Design family products. I will give more details a bit later. Okay, let me show you a short video, okay, so that you understand a bit more about 3Design and see the interface. So let's explain the 3Design experience. So why designers would choose 3Design and what are the main advantages compared to other solutions? So first of all, 3Design has a very user-friendly and ergonomic interface. So you will see the icons are very easy to understand. Everything is clear in color. You see the stones, the metal, the materials. You have the history tree on one side, you have the tools on the other side, and it's totally customizable as well. For beginners, there's the online help that you can access automatically. So it's very pleasant to work with, and also it's very easy to learn, especially compared to other solutions. The learning curve is very short. Second thing, very important, is the parametric construction tree. So 3Design stores all the parameters client or at a later stage, for example, is completely straightforward. All the modifications, they are done automatically. Everything is automatically recalculated and changed according to your wishes. So for you, it's very important if you choose a Jewellery CAD software to choose a parametric solution. With the parametric, you don't have to start all over again. 3Design has many professional and time-saving tools. Okay, so there are about 300 tools in 3Design, and 60 of them are dedicated to jewelry and are very powerful. Okay, just to name a few, you will have ring creation wizards, stone creation, jeweling, gemstone settings, etc. 3Design is as open as possible, so you can import and export in many formats. Okay, for example, we accept the STL, STEP, SAT, IGIS, EPS, or BJ formats. 3Design is very fast. There's really important fluidity of execution, and moreover, it's compatible with both Mac and Windows. Okay, let's talk about the different design processes in 3Design. So you have different ways to create your designs. Okay, so the first possibility is, if you have, for example, a 2D drawing, is to import it in 3Design and then to transform it into a 3D object in a few steps, okay, using the different tools you have available. So basically, you will work by transparency. You will see your drawings, and little by little, you will create your 3D design. You can also take some elements from your library and make your creation. So 3Design comes with an extensive library of different elements. Okay, you can find stones, findings, shanks, settings. You also have access to the official Swarovski stone library. Okay, so you can, of course, build up your own catalog very easily. Another possibility is just to do your creation building with the jewelry wizards that are available. And you will see during the demos, there are many features to help you do your creation easily and very precisely. You can also sculpt shapes using subdivision surfaces. Okay, this is a summary of all the features that you will find in the 3Design Pro version. Okay, so all the features, you have like 297. They are classified in different categories for you to find them easily. Now let me present you quickly the options that are available for 3Design. The first one is the 3Shaper option. So it's a 3D modeling tool to create organic shapes and to create 3D shapes, complex 3D shapes easily. It now includes the retopology feature for a 3D reconstruction, for example. And this one, it's available as an option to 3Design and also as a standalone license. And you will get more information about the 3Shaper at 11:15 with Maxime, because he will do a demo dedicated to this option. But first, let me show you a video to understand a bit more. Perfect. That was the 3Shaper option. So the second option you can add to your 3Design license is the Deep Image. It's a powerful rendering studio to quickly create beautiful photo-like renderings and also animations. So you will see the materials and the environments are very realistic. It's very intuitive and easy to use. So first, in fact, you make your creations in 3Design. You import it in Deep Image, and then you just drag and drop your materials, your environments, your colors, and you see the instant results. You can play with the lighting, of course, and the good thing about Deep Image is that it runs as a background application, so you can also continue designing while processing. And it's the same, you will get more information at 11:45 about Deep Image with Maxime. So let me show you a video about Deep Image. Perfect. So here is a a summary of all the 3Design products family. Okay, so you see you have different kind of licenses available. You have 3Design Pro, 3Design Atelier, 3Design Designer, and also there's a 3Design Pro 1-year license. Okay, so the difference between the licenses, so basically in the Pro you have all the features. In the Designer license, you have everything except you cannot export. So that's why it's usually used as a second license. In the Atelier license, it's a light version of 3Design Pro. So basically, you can create whatever you want, but you won't have access to all the advanced features. So it's perfect for you if you make simple designs or if you are a beginner in CAD, knowing that at any time, if you want to upgrade it to a Pro, it's possible, of course. Here you have a recap of the main options that are available. So 3Shaper as an option or as a standalone license, and Deep Image. We didn't talk about Boutique, but Boutique, it's a 3D viewer, okay? It's to promote your 3Design creations through a viewer in your stores, for example. Okay, it's available as well. Apart from the software, we provide different kind of services. So we provide training, maintenance contract, and specific development. So if you want, we can organize private training in your offices, in our offices. We can organize online training as well, always done by CAD experts. If you need a 3Design certification, we have a certification program, so feel free to contact us. And of course, our distributors and resellers are also offering the same kind of service. We always recommend 3Design users to get a maintenance contract because they can always work with the latest version and they have access to dedicated online support. And in most of our contracts, there is some online training included, workshops. Okay, so it's very interesting. And if you need specific development, we can do it as well. So we can customize the software look to your company standards, or we can insert your logo on the application, or we can also develop specific features for you. Okay, so I hope you understood that 3Design is a very professional, easy to use, complete software solution. It's an all-in-one solution, independent, not based on any other software. And I think it's time to switch to the live demos. Okay. So yeah, during the presentation, if you want to contact us, feel free to send us a comment or a question through the YouTube chat, or also you can email us at sales@type3.com.